Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you easily edit your head gestures. At first we have to go into our settings. Now we have to go and head into Bluetooth. Now we have to click on this info button over here. Now we have to make sure that we are connected with our headphones. If we're not, we have to connect. Now we have to scroll down until we see head gestures. We have to click on it, and now we can see accept and reply to Apple Now. We have to click on it, and now we can change to side to side. Decline, dismiss is set to side, and we can change it to up and down. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.